And we're now getting you this video from France, and big breaking update coming in that 2 people have been arrested after French President Emmanuel Macron was slapped by a man during a walkabout session with a crowd in the Drôme region in southeastern France. And we have that video clip that is now going viral that shows a man in the crowd slapped French president, but his security detail immediately intervened and have arrested 2 people for this assault on the French president. What news agencies, international news agencies are reporting right now is that 2 people have been arrested after French President Emmanuel Macron was slapped by a man during a walkabout session. Abhishek, our senior executive editor, is joining us on the phone line to give us more details about what happened. Abhishek, over to you.
Well, what we are getting to here, Sanika, is that 2 people who were involved in this assault on French President Emmanuel Macron, they have been arrested. They essentially slapped while the president was on a walkabout session in the crowd in the Drôme region in southeastern France. We are picking up from media reports, and these are initial inputs that we are getting, that both those men have been arrested, and Macron's security entourage quickly intervened to pull the man down to the ground, and the president was taken away. The identities are as yet not known. The police is investigating, and the police, apart from sharing this information that and can be seen in the pictures, that this man was, these 2 men were. You can see from the pictures that the president is actually going out and meeting this crowd because it seemed that this is a crowd of supporters, and there was a barricade in between, so there was a modicum of security available. And from the pictures, it seems that it's a Frenchman. The identity is yet to be ascertained, and whether this is, it would not be proper to really make a conjecture at this stage, but the police was quick to intervene and isolate and pin the assaulter on the ground. These are basic inputs we have as of now, Sanika. More information is still awaited. What is important is that France has been in the midst of a heated debate on further secularizing in a manner. For example, not wearing hijab, for example, the school education there, or control on madrasas and so on and so forth. But then, as I said, this is not the time for conjecture. The police is investigating, and the identities are yet to be revealed so far as the assaulters are concerned. Yes, and Abhishek, Ankit, our from the digital desk, had in fact first spotted this video in the Republic newsroom, and he is joining us on the phone line as well to give us more details. Ankit, there are reports that this man who has now been arrested also shouted slogans while this incident happened. Can you give more details on that?
Yes, I can, Sanika. I can tell you that the man who slapped Emmanuel Macron, he allegedly shouted a slogan that in French reads, "Abaisse la Macronie," which means down with Macron. 2 people have been arrested at this point, we can tell you. The incident took place while the French president was visiting a location named Drôme. It's the Drôme region in southern France. As we can see in the video, he reached out to greet a crowd of onlookers. They were standing behind a barricade. He clasped a man by the arm, and they appeared to exchange greetings, and then the man took his right hand and he attempted to hit the French president. At that point, the security cordon around the French president, they immediately stepped up and they separated the 2. At this point, according to local reports, I can tell you that 2 people have been arrested in connection with the incident.
Yes.
Like Abhishek Kapoor was saying, France is also a pretty polarized place at this moment. It has been so through the duration of Macron's presidency. But this is the first time we have seen this kind of physical assault on the French president. This is definitely very, very big news. We are covering it on Republic World right now. So if anyone wants to watch the videos on Republic World and all the details are on Republic World right now, it's very, very big news in the global geopolitical landscape. This is not an incident the kind of which you see on a daily basis. It is definitely going to provoke a lot of reactions. France is a country that has been discussed in great detail over the last few months, I would say, and it has caused a lot of friction with different countries. So this is an incident, I can repeat, that you can watch on republicworld.com right now.
Yes, Ankit.
Sanika.
Yes, reminding our viewers to get all the details on this particular story on republicworld.com. Thank you very much, Ankit, for joining us live.